Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by removing switch plates and clearing the work area. Take safety seriously, so put on gloves and goggles now. Once done, score the wallpaper surface with a tool to let remover penetrate. Scoring speeds delamination. Apply a small test patch of either diluted fabric softener, wallpaper remover, or steam for 1 square foot to confirm method and timing. This first step sets your rhythm, so work methodically across a wall and adjust technique where adhesive or paper type resists. Now you escalate. Heat a 2 to 3 foot section with a steamer or saturate with remover, waiting until the paper softens. This weakens adhesive bonds. Use a 3-inch to 4-inch flexible putty knife held at a low angle to lift seams and peel the top layer. When you encounter backing paper, re-wet and peel in small sections to avoid gouging. Once paper is gone, sponge the wall to remove glue. Repeat steaming and scraping until the surface is uniformly clean and ready for repair. Finish by inspecting walls for damage. Fill any gouges or seams with joint compound, let it dry, then sand smooth with 120 to 150 grit. This produces a uniform surface. Make sure to vacuum dust and apply a bonding primer. Primer prevents new paper or paint from blistering and ensures adhesion. If adhesive persists, re-steam the area, try a small amount of solvent, or very carefully score and lift with a razor. If unsure, stop and test so you don't damage drywall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.